Welcome to a serene paradise in the heart of the coveted community of Bayberry Bluffs. Your dream of owning a refreshing escape awakens at this fully updated 4-bedroom, 3-bath beach cottage, a hidden gem where functionality meets comfort. Experience a private retreat surrounded by nature's beauty, where the lively town of Duck Village is a pleasant stroll away. Explore the charming eateries, boutique shops, and nearby attractions like the waterfront shops. Enjoy leisurely walks along the scenic 2-mile Soundfront Boardwalk, all just steps from your doorstep. Enter inside where the bright and airy great room greets you, showcasing an open concept living space adorned with vinyl wood plank flooring. In the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen with glistening stainless steel appliances, generous cabinetry, and an inviting eat-on bar awaits your culinary adventures. Unwind on the expansive screen porch or bask in the sun on the grand deck made with enduring composite decking. Each space is consciously designed for relaxation and leisure. On the main level, you'll find a primary bedroom with an ensuite bath. Alongside, one more bedroom and an additional flexible space that can be used as a bedroom, an office, or study. Heading to the ground level, you'll discover a versatile game room with a kitchenette and a full-size refrigerator. Perfect for entertainment and sets the stage for memories of a lifetime. Also on this level, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and a large full bath. On the spacious and high 13,000 square foot lot, your vision for an outdoor sanctuary can come to life. Imagine the possibilities with only 16% lot coverage, a canvas for your heart's desires. Become a part of a unique community that breathes an inviting mix of warmth and exclusivity. With a mix of year-round and second homeowners and investment homes, driving your golf cart down the private street is not just a convenience, it's a lifestyle, connecting you with friendly neighbors and to the picturesque beaches of Duck. This beach cottage isn't just your new home, it's where life's best moments await. To make this slice of paradise your very own, or to set up a private tour, please contact us today. And don't forget, for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.